Hello, One Robin Road here. Today I am making a wall-mounted pull-out desk, my frugal fix for a small room. Here you see me opening up my $9 IKEA laminate desktop. And then I measure the depth and mark it. This desktop cost $30 to make. I have two $4 center-mounted drawer slides, one $9 IKEA laminate desktop, a scrap of wood, which was a fix afterwards, and a $12 TV wall mount. Here I'm marking and then masking off the cut line. I'll go off camera and cut the board with my circular saw. So I've cut the desktop to the right depth, and I'm covering up the cardboard interior of the desktop. Just with a little masking tape. Checking where I want it to go. Originally I had wanted it to go to the left-hand side and to leave just enough room on the right-hand side for the computer. And I've never used these center-mounted drawer slides, so I've got to read the directions. I'm used to the ones that come in two pieces. Now I'm marking where I want them on the desktop. Here I've decided to change the angle so that you can see more of what is going on in the workspace. So I ended up marking the center of the desktop to line it up with the center between the two rows of drawers. Here I'm squaring off the drawer slides and kind of playing with them to see how they work and where they need to be attached. And it looks like they're only attached twice, which is a little worrisome. Looking at this later as I'm narrating it, I realize I probably should have put the drawer slides all the way on either side because the laminate is thicker there for the legs. There's actually something to drill into. Here I'm just drilling them into this board here, the thin laminate board stock, I don't even know what it is. Trying to make sure it's square. Figuring out which hole I'm supposed to put the screw through. And there you can see how far it'll normally be pulled out. Making sure it works before I screw everything down. And the second screw in the dresser, I messed up by less than 1/8 of an inch, but now it doesn't go flush with the wall. So I decided to I tried to fix it, but the hole needed to be filled and dried and whatnot because the hole was there. And just a little bit off, it just kept sliding back into the same spot. So I decided just to take the screw out. There we go. And here I am now running off to find a scrap of wood because I've lost my pencil. There I am trying to get the wood glue because I thought I could just glue down this piece of wood, but because it was a scrap of wood that I just had sitting in my front yard, it's a little warped. So I ended up having to screw it down and paint it to make it less obvious. I really should have gone out and purchased a little toe trim. That would have looked very nice and stopped things from rolling out. Here's the final view. Sorry about the color. I believe I shut the curtains, and so this is all the overhead light rather than the natural light. But it pulls out. I did end up lowering the monitor a good 4 inches because I realized I'd put it at eye level while standing rather than while sitting. And I'm going to clean up the wires a little bit, but other than that, it works. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.